Welcome to the subject Computer Fundamental. Today we shall study BCD code. We are in chapter Computer Codes. So the first code in this is BCD code. BCD stands for Binary Coded Decimal Code. So BCD code, point number 1. Binary Coded Decimal BCD code is one of the early computer codes. Point number 2. In earlier BCD code, every single digit of decimal number is converted independently into equivalent binary number using 4 bits. Students, binary coded decimal was developed in early stages, and a binary coded decimal of earlier stages had got 4 bits. So every decimal number was converted into equivalent binary number independently. Every single digit in a decimal number was converted independently. Point number 3. For example, 42 in decimal is converted as follows. So students, 42 consists of 2 digits, 4 and 2. So here 4 is converted independently and 2 is also converted independently. So 4 is equal to 0 1 0 0 and 2 is equal to 0 0 1 0. You have studied binary conversion from decimal to binary. So in that case you have studied 4 is equal to 1 0 0 and 2 is equal to 1 0. But since here you have to convert in BCD code using 4 bits, so earlier, that is left side 2 bits, additionals are added, and those are maintained as 0 or 1 as the case may be. Therefore 42 in decimal is equal to 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 in BCD. Point number 4. For example, again second example, 93 in decimal is converted as follows. First digit 9 is equal to 1 0 0 1 and second digit 3 is equal to 0 0 1 1, and therefore 93 in decimal is equal to 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 in BCD. Point number 5. BCD code needs 4 bits because to represent the maximum digit 9 in the decimal it requires 4 bits, because in decimal 9 is equal to 1 0 0 1 in binary. With the 4 bits, point number 6, in BCD code it is possible to represent maximum 16 symbols characters. Hence, to represent more symbols, a 6-bit BCD code was introduced. The first 2 bits are called as zone or position bits. How do you get 16? Because 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. So to accommodate, we had more symbols. 16 combinations were less, so additional 2 bits were added and we had a new 6-bit binary coded decimal code. Point number 7. The new BCD code with 6 bits, we can have 64 different combinations of bit pattern, because we studied that 2 to the power 6 is equal to 64. Hence, with 6-bit BCD code, it is possible to represent 64 different symbols. Point number 8. Hence, with 6-bit code, it is possible to represent decimal digits which are 10, alphabetic letters 26, and other special characters 28. So like that we will get 64. For simplicity, the 6 bits are grouped as 2 sets of 3 bits each. Okay, that is 6 can be grouped as 2 sets of 3 bits, and each set of 3 bits is represented as one octal number. Students, we shall study BCD code with the chart in the next slide. So BCD code, here in this chart we can find coding of alphabetic and numeric characters in BCD. So here we are representing character A, B, C, D up to Z. So in the BCD code, A is represented as 110001. Okay. Similarly, all other B is represented as 110010. Okay. Similarly, all the alphabets are represented here. The first 2 bits in BCD code are called as zone bits, whereas last 4 bits are called as digit bits. Students, when you convert A into BCD code as 110001, so if you group this pattern as 3 bits each, so you will get 110, which is octal 6, and 001 is 1. So similarly, all these things you can work out. In the next slide, we will study, these are alphabets. In the next slide, we will study decimal digits. So in decimal digits, you have got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and these are represented as in the BCD code with the help of zone and digits. You can observe here, as far as decimal numbers are concerned, zone bits are zeros, whereas in digit bit we have got different combinations. So equivalent is also represented here. So you can really see one character is represented 01 in octal number, 2 is represented as 02. So all this you please write in your notebook. And more about this we shall study when you come to the college physically. If you got any doubts, you please call me, but see that you update your notebook regularly. Thank you.